I'd love to give you my quick and honest thoughts on why I like this scoop so much. This is a 1 tablespoon scoop. It is spring loaded, so it is easy to use. And as you can see, this spring scoops it out so the dough falls smoothly out when you're loading your cookies onto the shelf. Has a non-slip grip, which is really great because obviously you want to keep hold of it, and sometimes your hands are full of cookie dough and things like that, so you want something that doesn't slip. The reason I also like these when making cookies and things like that is consistency for cooking. So if they're all the same size, everything cooks evenly. Also, then you don't have bigger and smaller cookies so that the family's fighting for who gets the bigger and who gets the smaller cookie. So consistency is key, I think, for that reason as well. And they're really comfortable. Simple to use. That's all there is to it. Scoop and unload. I hope you like them as much as I do.